I was headed out to the shop this morning, working on some knife orders, finish up a couple. And this old faucet has been dripping, and I came out this morning and it was just about pouring. So, Lord knows what that water bill is going to be. So, you can't replace washers on those kinds. Those are the old plastic things. So guess what we're going to do this morning, right quick. Now this cost more than I wanted to spend, but it was the only one they had, the cheapest one they had at Lowe's. Instructions, we don't need no stinking instructions. And I will not bring myself to go to Home Depot. Man, that's pretty. Got my sprayer and everything, that's cool. That's nicer than the one that's in the house. What is all this? Alright, there's the gizmos. Alright, we'll put that in the fire pile. Alright, over the weekend, I had to get away from the shop a little bit. So me and Mama spent Saturday, most of Saturday, roaming around the other county over there with some friends of ours. Had a great time, had a fun time. Wait a minute, how does that work? Maybe I better look at the instructions. And we were unplugged the whole time as far as news. Did a little bit of chatting on Facebook with some people, and I looked at a few YouTubes, a few videos, but not all. Now I replied to a bunch of people a couple days ago, and I looked back on there and the replies are gone now. I know that's a lot of people's having trouble with that. So if I don't answer your comment, it's not because I didn't answer it. I might have, and it might have been gone, or I might just not have seen it. I don't know what's up with all that. But oh, I see. Okay, there we go. Anyway, I'm sure y'all know how to put a faucet in. Basically just put it there. And these little things here, lock nuts will go underneath it. I'll have to climb under there and do that. And we'll see something else in a minute. It's a good thing I had the camera off. Well, y'all would have heard me say something not very nice. I'm going to take the supply line off, the old one, and of course it broke. Who knows how many years it's been there. Luckily I bought an extra one, and I had an extra one because I've got to change this valve here, because the old faucet only had water hooked to one, and there was always a drip. So I want to hook them both up, that way the sprayer will work properly too. So I'll say that the valve was okay. We're going to put a little bit thread sealer. Hang on, there we go. Down here. that is probably tight enough. Remember, don't overdo stuff like this, over tighten and all that. Alright, now I can't hold the camera and get these supply lines hooked up at the same time, so I'll be right back. Well, there it is. Now, is it going to leak? Probably. Let's check her out here. No runs, no drips, one error. Now let's see. We got water. Oh, that's got to be on. And we got water. I missed my little sprayer when I get out here cleaning fish and stuff. Comes in handy. Alright, I didn't turn it on full pressure. I don't really need full pressure. So. Alright, still don't see no drips. Alright, that's good. Now, why not make a video about that? I don't know. I wanted to. Mainly I want to tell you all about those messages. And I spent 30 minutes trying to answer everybody and then they disappear. Oh well. So, I do read every one of them though. And, well, let's see. There it goes, just like that. I do read all the messages, and if I don't respond, that don't mean I didn't read it. Anything real important, send me a private message and we'll check those. Okay, let me put the tools away and I can get back to getting these knives finished. Got the big hunt coming up this weekend and next week, and you'll of course see some of that. And other than that, for today, thank y'all for watching. Thank you for your support. And I will see you later. One more thing. Another reason I had to go to the hardware. Got my anvil set on my new pole here. Well, I dug it up from over there and put it over here. I'll run these lag bolts down here to hold it still. And I didn't have any of those, so I had to go get those. Ain't it pretty? For right now. It'll be all dirty here by tonight because I need that today, matter of fact. Alright, bye this time.